In today's video, guys, I'll be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite account. This is completely working, and you guys can join your friends. It's pretty insane, guys, and as you can see, I'm controlling it all through this website right here. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to learn how to do this, make sure to watch to the very end, especially because I have a surprise at the end for you guys that you guys can actually use. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch the full entire video. You just don't want to miss that out. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go into the item shop, go in the supporter creator code, and type in code FCYT. Once you've done this, press accept, and then we can proceed with these steps. Do that every 2 weeks, by the way, #ad. And then you guys can close out of this and then go on to the description of this video, which has all the links. Once you're in the description, guys, that's actually going to be a bit.ly link, and that bit.ly link will take you to this recognize link, which is right here, guys. There's going to be 2 steps which you guys can do. So you guys want to go into the first step and subscribe to myself, and then go back onto the recognize. Wait around 10 to 15 seconds, so recognize that you actually subscribed. And if you guys are watching and you want to know how to do this and you're already subscribed, just wait on that page for 15 seconds. It's going to recognize that you subscribed, so don't worry. And then go on to the second step, which is my friend Shadow. So subscribe to him, and then go back on here, and then just wait around 15 seconds. I'm already subscribed to him, so it's going to recognize that I'm actually already subscribed, so I don't have to worry about that. And let's actually wait for it to unlock the link. And now let's press I'm not a robot. Before I proceed with this Fortnite dev method, I just want to say that this does not modify your Fortnite account in any way, and this is completely safe and does not violate of Epic Games Fortnite terms of service at all. It doesn't completely modify your Fortnite account, and you don't unlock any of these actual cosmetics, and you can't wear them in-game. This is just for educational purposes only. But without further ado, let's proceed with the tutorial. Alright, guys, so you want to press free access, and there's going to be some steps that you can do. If there's no steps, like I got lucky, you guys can press just download Fortnite dev, and then press save. And then double click on the download, and then it's going to ask you to run as administrator. You guys want to press yes for that. And then you guys want to press next, skip all, and then open. It's going to take you to my Beacons AI link. For this specific tutorial, we want to go on to the Rex FN. There's a bunch of tutorials. If you guys want to learn how to do any of these, make sure you turn notifications so you don't miss on those out, because I do update all of these daily. So as I said, subscribe and like, and make sure you turn notifications. But for here, guys, we're doing Rex FN, so click on Rex FN. And then it's going to take you to the Discord server right here that I pulled up. There's going to be a rules channel. So you guys want to go into that rules channel, and you guys just want to react with these messages, and just make sure you actually get access to the full Discord. So react with these messages, and then go on to the anywhere how to use channel. And then there's going to be multiple links. If you guys are confused, just watch what I do. And then you guys just want to go on to the Rex FN Anywhere website, and then press I'm not a robot, and then press free access with ads, and then discover interesting articles. Wait around 5 to 10 seconds, and then close this out. And then go discover related topics, click any of these, close that out, and then close this out, and then press continue to website. And then once you guys are here, you guys want to press download website. So just wait for it to prepare the download, and then just download the website. And then, guys, once you have it downloaded, you guys want to double click on it, and then press yes. And then you guys, it's going to run as administrator, so press next, skip all, and then open. This is going to open the Anywhere Rex FN page. And with this, guys, you guys can launch through this website. If it asks for an authorization code, go back onto the Discord, and then go into the code generator. If you guys are still confused, leave a comment down below, and I will be gladly to assist you. But if you watch this whole entire video and you're still confused, like I said, leave a comment. But if you don't watch this whole entire video, then please don't leave a comment without actually watching it, because I do a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. So yeah, so you guys want to go into the Rex FN Anywhere dev, and then press launch. And then there's going to be this top right here. You guys just want to wait for this to actually show a username for you to add. So wait for it to show a username. And then as you guys see, username to add, it's going to show that. So with here, guys, you guys want to go on back onto the Epic Games launcher, and then launch Fortnite. And then you guys want to launch Fortnite. As you can see, it has been running already. So, yeah. And then once you guys are here, make sure to have that username copied so we get ready. And if you guys are still watching, comment W and I'll heart your comment. So yeah, I want to see which of my viewers are actually the real ones and watch my videos all the way through. So let's just add him. I already have him added, but I'm just going to go through the process for you guys. So once you guys have him added, join his party, and then you guys can control him through this website. So you guys can actually put on the iconic skin real quick. So you guys can put on the aerial assault trooper skin. You guys can put on the wonder skin. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You guys can actually control this. You guys can put on any skin. You guys can also do any emote. It's pretty cool, guys. And you guys can even do backblings, for example. We can empty the backbling real quick. And we could do back shield backbling or squire shield. I personally like the black shield, but I actually do like the cave right here, the enduring cape. I find that clean. That's definitely clean, yeah. So we can even do more skins, for example, the honor guard skin. So yeah. And now the moment that you guys have been waiting for, like I said, the surprise at the end. So I'm going to show you guys a super cool surprise. You guys can actually get unreleased skins with this and troll your friends. It's insane. So without further ado, let's show you guys it. So you guys want to type in TBD and then you're going to get access to all of these skins right here. Also do keep in mind that you have a certain limit to actually use this. So make sure to not bypass the 30 minutes to actually use this. So yeah, if you guys want more time, you guys can subscribe to premium, but yeah. And then you guys can equip these unreleased skins. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of unreleased skins that you guys can actually wear in game. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, you guys can play around with this. There's definitely a bunch of unreleased skins. Some of these skins are actually released in game, but they're just called TBD. I have no idea why. But I know there's a certain skin that's really cool. And if I could try to find it for you guys. Okay, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to find it. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. But yeah, you guys can play around with that. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys for watching so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your boy Radius. Like I said, if you guys want more tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.